Oh shit, there it goes. They got more. I guarantee they got more.
Can you believe this?
Oh, fuck.
I can't believe it.
There comes some more. They're doing the small shit now.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're
small
like a
shit now.
mile away. They blow
Yeah,
off
they're
the
going
small
over there
shit,
going,
and
we're
then
gonna
they're
set
like,
the big shit.
"Bah,
And
bah,
we're
bah,
gonna do the
bah,
small
bah."
shit right now. Yeah. Oh my god.
I can't believe
Oh.
it.
Yeah. Oh.
Big shit.
Man, those are like $20 a piece.
That's what I'm saying. These are
No,
some
they're
rich
more than that.
motherfuckers.
They're about 100.
Woo!
As high as they're going, they're at least $100 a piece.
Damn.
These are like the fireworks, real fireworks.
Where do you guys live? I want to know you.
Wow!
This is a real
Oh!
This is a real shed. That's a real
That is
Damn.
the real shit right there. You're right, Ben. That's
Dude.
That's as close as it gets, you know?
These motherfuckers have some money.
It's real. We're watching fireworks. We didn't even have to go no place.
No.
That's why I said I like where you live. You live next to rich people that got bomb
This
fireworks.
is like, no, it is real. I can't believe it. This is going on.
Dang, I'm going out in the yard.
Look at this.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah!
Woo!
Oh my god.
I'm gonna sound so loud in my camera, dude.
Oh man, look at that. That's crazy.
Me screaming like I am, I'm gonna sound so loud in my camera.
That's insane.
Now that's a good fourth. I'm just sitting in my backyard drinking a beer, watching this shit for free.
Like 5 minutes.
All you guys that didn't show up to my party, you should be jealous. You should be very disappointed you didn't show up. Look at that shit. For free. Sitting in my backyard, drinking a motherfucking beer, watching this shit
damn.
for free.
It gets better and better. Oh.
Boom!
I don't know, but somebody.
That's what I'm saying. I want to meet them.
This is better than White Jungle. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
God damn.
Hey guys, does it ever make you wonder if it's the guy that had too many fireworks at the end of the day? and decided to make fucking, I can't light them off.
Woo!
You know, why not?
Both
That's
of
all
July.
it is. Why not? Know them. They both did. All right,
Woo!
smoke off you by chance? All right, cool. I don't know what the fuck mine are, and I don't want to go inside. Honestly.
Yeah!
Yeah, yeah.
I just stepped in a hole.
Outside, I'm like, oh, what the fuck, you know? And I run out here and I'm like, oh my god, and I caught the ass end of it. And then it was like, it wasn't even anything like this.
This is like one
That's
struggle.
just crazy.
This is like one struggle.
Oh man, that is. Oh my
Yeah!
They keep going.
God damn, dude. I want to meet these people.
Kill them on that bullshit. It's the real thing. Is video games more important than
No,
one
play
day?
video games.